From the shackles of apartheid and after 27 years in jail, Nelson Mandela rose to become South Africa's first black president. His struggle, his convictions and his ability to unite a nation made him one of the greatest leaders of all time. All over the world and here in Europe, Madiba was revered as an icon of peace, Parliament bestowing its own Sakharov Prize in 1988. On the day his people lost their father and the world a hero, and as the flags of our Parliament fly at half-mast, MEPs pay tribute.
Yo le recibí con emoción. Era un personaje notable, tenía un porte muy aristocrático y muy elegante naturalmente.
C'est certainement la personnalité la plus rayonnante de son siècle. C'était un homme extrêmement bon, extrêmement généreux, mais c'était un homme dont les convictions étaient très fortes. Donc c'était un négociateur dur et qui ne laissait pas place aux malentendus ou aux équivoques dans une négociation.
The South African Defence Force has no right to kill people. This is an act of thuggery and pure terrorism, which we strongly condemn.
Je lui ai un jour demandé comment se fait-il que vous ayez tenu pendant toutes ces années. Il m'a dit, mais j'étais certain, j'étais convaincu que je verrais pendant ma vie la fin de l'apartheid.
When you're a child growing up in London and you face discrimination, it's very easy to want to hate the people that hate you. And Mandela said, you can turn that hatred into love.
He was able to dialogue with the enemies and without confrontation, in a spirit of reconciliation. And I think that in the world, especially in Palestine or in other places in the world, the big difficulty after a conflict is to begin a real dialogue and stop this confrontation. I think that it's a big lesson and a big heritage for all of us.
His legacy to us has to be that politicians should be more compassionate with people, and they should remember that they are dealing with people and people's lives, and I think sometimes policymakers look away from that.